Haven't DJI been busy? Only a month ago they launched the Osmo Action. Now there's a new product on its way in just 4 days' time. The slogan is Learn to Win, and in this video we'll show you some things from the teaser that you might not have spotted. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and just a month ago DJI launched the Osmo Action, and they're on a roll because they've got another brand new product coming in just 4 days. DJI have just published a teaser video for this launch event to their YouTube channel. We're going to look at that video right now, and straight after we're going to have a look at some things in that video that perhaps we weren't meant to see. Here's the teaser. So there's the teaser video, and in true DJI fashion, it doesn't really tell us a lot, but if we take a closer look at the teaser, there are some hidden goodies. So via a bit of image manipulation, I've basically increased some of the shadows and the highlights and the exposure on these shots, which let us see them in more detail. So this very first shot shows us what looks to be a joint of some sort. There's some wiring going through there. It all looks like quite construction based. And that perhaps also rings true with the Learn to Win headline or slogan of this new product, which might signify that you're going to have to build something here, or perhaps parts are interchangeable. The next shot also suggests the same. We see a bunch of connectors all connected in array next to each other, and they're in a kind of layout which to me looks like we've got front, back, left and right, which might be the wiring to the speed controllers for motors perhaps. And these could be wheels, so perhaps we are looking at something ground-based. Now this next shot is really key, and you can't see this detail until you actually apply the enhancements that we've applied, but this is very important. In this shot we see a camera. Now it doesn't look like a big sensor on this camera, so I'm expecting it's probably going to be a 1/2-inch sensor. We can see DJI written at the top of that camera's lens, and at the bottom it looks like we've got an FOV indication. To me it looks like it says 120 degrees. So whatever it is that's being launched, it's going to have a camera, which is good news. What makes me think that this is not a drone product is because look at all of the elements underneath and behind that camera. None of it looks particularly aerodynamic, and also that camera's quite high off the ground in relation to the rest of the kit, and on most drones the camera is almost the lowest element so that you don't get anything else in shot. That's not the case here. As that shot pans around to the left, we also see this mysterious wheel type object. Now I think this is actually the battery, because if we look at the next shot, we see that same part rotating around with those 8 LED indicators, which in the final shot of this teaser also illuminate in series, and I think that's the battery charge status. I also think this horizontal handle type thing, you probably rotate that and pull out the battery. The next shot is also very, very key. It flies by so quickly in the teaser, but we've slowed it down here. You actually see a very fast spinning wheel, and I think that possibly is one of the ground running wheels of this new product. And then that final lovely closing shot where we get the LED indicators lighting up and then the date being shown on that panel at the front. Again though, this shot hides some little secrets, and if we tweak that shot, you can actually see a whole lot more. You can actually see the shape of the chassis here. This is a big product, and it certainly doesn't look like a drone. In fact, if we refer back to the Mavic 2 photo leak that arrived just before the launch of the Mavic 2, pictured in that shot in the top left-hand corner was a ground-based vehicle. Now, out of that shot, the Mavic 2 has arrived. The Osmo Pocket, which also is featured in the bottom left, also arrived. So will this object in the top left-hand corner be the focus of the launch on June the 11th? We shall see. In the meantime, hopefully this analysis has been useful for you. Comment below with what you would like to see during this launch. Give the video a thumbs up, share it, and finally, subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.